My dear student, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will discuss with you Class 7 English First Paper Unit 4. So, Amar Gore Amar School on a program to solve your problem as your school is closed for a long time due to coronavirus. My dear student, at first take your paper and pen and sit down. I hope you will get something good from this lesson of mine. Now let's start. Welcome everybody, my dear student, Satpur Online School. My dear student, my identity, MD Shariful Islam, Assistant Teacher, Balakhat Chandraban Girls High School, Haziganj, Chatpur. My dear student, first look at some pictures and tell about the pictures. Dear student, suppose she is Flora. Student, my dear student, you say where does Flora go? Yes, you get the correct answer. Flora goes to school. It was Flora's first day at school. My dear student, where is Flora at this moment? Is now in the headmaster's room. You answer very well. So let's have our lesson today. Flora's first day at school 2. Today's topic, Flora's first day at school. My dear student, we see the learning outcomes before we go to the main text, main topic. These are the lessons, learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, a student will be able to ask and answer questions, talk about familiar events, read and understand text, write answer to the questions, write short composition. These are the lessons of today's learning outcomes. Let's go to the slide, next slide. My dear student, before we go to the main text, we see some important vocabulary of this lesson and you write it in your notebook. At first, admission. First is noun, a statement acknowledging the truth of something. Eta first is noun. And next vocabulary, admit. Admit শব্দের অর্থ হলো ভর্তি করা. First is verb and or meaning confess to be true or to be the case. Confess to be true or to be the case. Next, afraid is adjective meaning ভীত. Feeling fear or anxiety or frightened. Feeling fear or anxiety, frightened. Having gained knowledge or skill in a particular field over time. Having gained knowledge or skill in a particular field over time. There it is experience. It is experience. Next, happen. Happen. Past suffix noun, verb, happen. Past suffix verb, ঘটা. Meaning, take place or occur. Meaning, take place or occur. Happen, ঘটা. Incident. Incident. Noun, ঘটনা. An instance or something happening, or an event or occurrence. An event or occurrence. Incident, ঘটনা. Innocent. Innocent, adjective. Nirho, meaning, Bengali meaning, nirho, not guilty of a crime or offense. Innocent. Intelligence. Past suffix is adjective. Bengali meaning, buddhiman. Having or showing intelligence, especially of a high level. Intelligent. Adjective. Bengali meaning, buddhiman. Nervous. Past suffix is adjective. Bengali meaning, বিচলিত, easily agitated or alarmed. Stare, verb, একদৃষ্টিতে তাকানো, look fixedly or vacantly at someone or something with one eyes. Hi dear student, let's go the next slide. My dear student, read the text to know more about Flora's first day at school. I read the main part of our lesson today. You listen carefully. Flora continues her story. Flora তার গল্প কি করছেন? চালিয়ে যাচ্ছেন. It took us half an hour to reach the school. এর অর্থ হলো it took us half an hour. এটা সময় নিয়েছে to reach পৌঁছতে the school, স্কুলে আমাদের স্কুলে পৌঁছতে কত ঘন্টা সময় লেগেছে? half an hour, আধা ঘন্টা সময় নিয়েছে. I saw many students on the school campus. I saw, আমি দেখেছিলাম, দেখলাম, many students, অনেক শিক্ষার্থী, on the school campus, স্কুলের আঙ্গিনায়. Some were playing and some were talking to each other. তাদের মধ্যে কেউ কি করছে? Playing, খেলা করছে, and some were talking, কেউ কথা বলছে to each other, একে অপরের সাথে. I didn't know anyone, আমি কাউকে চিনতাম না. So I was a little afraid. তা আমি একটু কি পেয়েছিলাম? ভয় পেয়েছিলাম, ভীত পেয়েছিলাম. My mother, আমার মা, soon, শীঘ্রই, took me, আমাকে নিয়ে গেলেন, to the head teacher, প্রধান শিক্ষকের কাছে. আমার মা শীঘ্রই আমাকে কোথায় নিয়ে গেলেন? প্রধান শিক্ষকের কাছে. He asked me, তিনি আমাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করলেন, a few questions, কিছু প্রশ্ন, and এবং I answered them, আমি এগুলোর উত্তর দিলাম, intelligently, বুদ্ধিমত্তার সাথে. তো প্রধান শিক্ষকের কাছে আমাকে নিয়ে যাওয়া হলো, প্রধান শিক্ষক আমাকে কিছু প্রশ্ন করলেন, আমি এগুলোর বুদ্ধিমত্তার সাথে উত্তর দিয়েছি. The head teacher was very pleased. প্রধান শিক্ষক কি হলেন? খুবই সন্তুষ্ট হলেন. He put his hand, তিনি রাখলেন তার হাত, on my shoulder, কাঁধ. তিনি আমার মাথায় তার হাত রেখে বললেন, কাঁধে হাত রেখে বললেন, and said, বললেন, good, বেশ, you are highly intelligent child, তুমি অনেক বুদ্ধিমতী মেয়ে. বা শিশু। You know a lot, তুমি অনেক কিছু জানো। I'll take you in my school, আমি তোমাকে আমার বিদ্যালয়ে কি করলাম, ভর্তি করাবো, অর্থাৎ আমি তোমাকে আমার স্কুলে নেব অর্থাৎ ভর্তি করাবো। I hope আমি আশা করি you will be happy here, তুমি এখানে কি হবে, তুমি এখানে ভালো থাকবে, সুখী থাকবে। I was admitted to class 1, আমি তোমাকে প্রথম শ্রেণীতে ভর্তি হলাম, আমি প্রথম শ্রেণীতে ভর্তি হলাম, আমি প্রথম শ্রেণীতে ভর্তি হলাম। The head teacher, প্রধান শিক্ষক, was very nice person, তিনি খুবই একজন চমৎকার ব্যক্তি। He called a teacher, তিনি একজন শিক্ষককে ডাকলেন, and said to her, এবং তাকে বললেন Mrs. Laila, this is Flora, এই হয় Flora, she is a new student in class 1, সে হলো আমাদের বিদ্যালয়ের প্রথম শ্রেণীর নতুন শিক্ষার্থী। Take her to the class please, দয়া করে তাকে কি করো, দয়া করে তাকে ক্লাসে নিয়ে যাও। Mrs. Laila took me, took নিয়ে গেলেন to the class শ্রেণীতে বা কক্ষে, ক্লাসে। The class teacher welcome me, স্বাগতম জানালেন। Gave me a seat, তিনি আমাকে একটি বসার ব্যবস্থা করে দিলেন, তিনি আমাকে বসার ব্যবস্থা করে দিলেন। All the students, সকল শিক্ষার্থীরা in the class শ্রেণীতে were staring at me, আমার দিকে এক দৃষ্টিতে তাকাচ্ছিল। I felt a bit nervous to see all the new faces, আমি নতুন এই মুখগুলো দেখে কি হয়ে গেলাম, খুবই বিচলিত হয়ে গেলাম, ঘাবড়িয়ে গেলাম। But কিন্তু শীঘ্রই I felt easy, আমি স্বাভাবিক হয়ে অনুভব করলাম, কিন্তু শীঘ্র আমি কি হলাম, স্বাভাবিক অনুভব করলাম। I could make friends, আমি কিছু বন্ধু বানিয়ে নিলাম। With 2 or 3 students, 2-3 জন শিক্ষার্থীকে sitting close to me, যারা আমার কাছে বসেছিল, আমার পাশে বসেছিল যারা, এরকম 2-3 জনকে আমি আমার বন্ধুত্ব করতে পেরেছিলাম, আমি তাদেরকে বন্ধুত্ব করতে পেরেছিলাম। A new place, নতুন জায়গা, is a new experience, নতুন অভিজ্ঞতা, অর্থাৎ নতুন নিউ প্লেস নিউ এক্সপেরিয়েন্স, নতুন জায়গা নতুন অভিজ্ঞতা। সো সুতরাং মাই ফার্স্ট ডে অ্যাট স্কুল, সুতরাং আমার বিদ্যালয়ের প্রথম দিন, ইজ এ নিউ এক্সপেরিয়েন্স ইন মাই লাইফ, আমার জীবনে নতুন অভিজ্ঞতা। আই উইল রিমেম্বার, আমি মনে রাখবো, দ্য ডে, এই দিনটি, as long as I live, আমি যতদিন বেঁচে থাকবো ততদিনেই এই দিনের কথা আমি মনে রাখবো। Hello my dear student, I hope you understand the lesson. Let's do something. My dear student, choose the correct answer. There are some questions and some options. How long did it take Flora to reach the school? An hour, half an hour, less than half an hour, 1 and a half hour. My dear student, think and answer the questions. Yes, half an hour. Answer, half an hour. You answered the question nicely. Number 2, Flora was a little afraid when he reached the school campus because. Option, the class was full of students. It was the first time she went there. All the people there were unknown. The school was a long way from home. Please choose the correct answer. Yes. Answer. All the people there were unknown. All the people there were unknown. Third question. The head teacher was pleased with Flora because Flora, option A, looked very innocent, had a sweet voice, could answer the head teacher questions, was very smart. Choose the best answer. Yes. Answer. Could answer the head teacher's questions. Very good. Number 4. Who took Flora to the class after admission? A teacher, a peon, her mother, the head teacher. Choose the best answer. My dear student, think and answer. Yes. Answer, a teacher. Answer, a teacher. Number 5. Flora felt nervous in the class because it was a new place. The class teacher was very strict. She did not know any student in the class. The class did not welcome her. So the best answer? Yes. Answer, she did not know any student in the class because it is a new place and new experience. My dear student, you answered the question nicely. Thank you all. My dear student, let's go next slide and do one more thing. There are 3 columns and make sentence from this table. Flora's mother, column 1, Flora's mother, Mrs. Laila, the head teacher, the students in the class, Flora. And second column, asked, made, stared, took. And third column, Flora at Flora, friends with few students, her to the head teacher, Flora's some questions, her to the class. There are 3 columns and make sentence from this table. Let's start, my dear student. Yes. Flora's mother took her to the head teacher. Flora's mother took her to the class teacher. And second, Mrs. Laila took her to the class. Mrs. Laila took her to the class. And third, the head teacher asked Flora some questions. The head teacher asked Flora some questions. Fourth, the students in the class stared at Flora. The students in the class stared at Flora. Very good. And finally, Flora made friends with few students. Flora made friends with few students. Very good. My dear student, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I will give you a homework. How did you feel about the students and teachers on your first day at school? Yes, if you remembered any incident or anything interesting that happened on the first day, tell the class about it and then write about it in short. I hope you have understood today's lesson Allah bless you. Thank you everyone. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.